This is program number 4 called LineWord for CS 107, Fall 2011. Start up the program inside of Eclipse, and we see that we have a board of 25 tiles displayed. The top row is highlighted. These are the tiles, the letters that we can use for play. This is a word game where we try and find valid dictionary words using only the letters that are highlighted on the board. Down here we get messages that show up. We see the score as well as the number of seconds remaining. This doesn't update automatically, as you can see. It only updates every time that you make a move. Then over here we've got our instructions explaining what we need to do, and then we can provide the user input. So let me provide the first user input. In this case I could choose the letters RAM for RAM, but we have a problem here, and that is that there's also a time delay. For short words of 3 characters, you have to do it within 5 seconds. It's been longer than that, so it's not going to accept this. Yeah, so it gives a message, short word not found. But I could use it again, and this time it was within 5 seconds. Okay, and then I could have other words like rum. Oops. Again, not within 5 seconds, so this time it subtracted 1 from the score. My score is back to 0, so I'm not doing too well so far. So let's try jar and rum again. Oh, whoops. How about mar? No? Okay, there we go. And now rum. Yeah, there we go. And now run. Then some longer ones. And now I've got all the letters. So now I can take my time because I can make words that are longer based on all of these, and I'm not subject to the 5-second limitation if I have a word that is longer. So so let's see, I could do Mary. We see the score right now is 4, but when I so here's a score of 4, but when I do this, we'll see that the score goes up to 6. So you get more points for the longer words. If I was to choose Mary again, that says, oh, that word's already used, -1 from the score here. And similarly, if I was to choose some word that cannot be formed using these letters that are shown on the screen, again, I lose a row. And then I can earn it back, but I can't use words that I already used previously. And again, Ray is a valid word, but I didn't do it within 5 seconds. But I can't use Ray again right now. So words that are short, that are not used within the 5 seconds, don't count. And you lose a line for those, but you can reuse those words if you want to. So there we go. And so it goes. So we can see seconds remaining on the screen. If I wanted to, I could do R to reset the board, and then I ran out of time. So at any point you could reset the board and your score continues to accumulate, but you go back to just a single row at the top. So hope you enjoyed the program.